Let me tell you something, but listen closely. It's important to understand this. If you can see it, you can achieve it. God helps those who helps themselves. Power is in the act of humility. Dream big, work hard, and stay humble. These are the stepping stones to success. Just like a seed needs to be planted in the ground to grow, dreams need to be planted in action to become real. Remember, we're not alone. Hard work gets noticed, and support often comes when we least expect it, sometimes feeling like a helping hand from above. But the true strength lies not in seeking the spotlight, but in the quiet moments of selflessness, where doing the right thing when no one is watching matters most. Humility, the quiet sister of ambition, is often the unsung hero in the story of achievement. You're more than you think you are. Stay blessed. If you received this message, comment Amen.